Hello YouTube, it's Vincent from Wonders of London, and have any of you ever wondered where the longest escalator on the London Underground actually is? And it is of course here at Angel, the Underground station. And I'm going to show you just how long this escalator is as we go up on it. And over there you can see there's a train arrived at the other platform. You've got the Northern Line here, the black line, which will take you to places like London Bridge, Camden Town and South Wimbledon.
Or when leaving your train, please ensure that you take everything with you. Any unattended bag or other item of luggage will be removed and may be destroyed. Thank you.
So this of course is a very short escalator at the moment, but don't worry, there is another one. And it is a very interesting station here on the London Underground. As you can see, we're following the way out signs. And you have all of the advertisements just here. And there I am with my face mask on. And we're approaching the tallest escalator on the Underground, or the longest escalator rather than tallest. But this of course is the longest escalator on the London Underground. And it is here at Angel. Station's quite empty at the moment, not very busy. Do you prefer it when it's busy or when it's quiet like this? I tend to prefer it when it's a bit more quiet like this. As we can see, I'm not moving, I'm just staying on one particular step as we go up this very long escalator on the London Underground. And we're approaching the end now. And here we are in Angel, London. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed that little video, and have a lovely morning, afternoon, evening, etc. wherever you are. Bye.